Saudi is taking MMA to the kingdom, and UBS reports massive profits in its first earnings report since its Credit Suisse takeover. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. SRJ Sports Investments, a new vehicle created by Saudi's public investment fund, has purchased a minor equity ownership stake with the Professional Fighters League for a reported $100 million. Apart from now owning part of the PFL, Saudi will also be investing in a new Professional Fighters League, MENA, that's set to launch in Q2 2024. With PFL Europe and now PFL MENA, future expansion plans include hosting more international leagues and regional tournaments to create a Champions League of MMA by 2026. Saudi-based Aqua Power has finalized its financial preparations to develop the Com Ombo photovoltaic solar power station in Egypt. The planned Com Ombo plant will have a power generation capacity of 200 megawatts and will be developed with a total investment value of $182 million. The project is funded by several entities and is expected to be commercially operational by January 2024. The station will meet the energy needs of 130,000 residential units. Dubai financial market listed firms saw a 28.6% rise in Q2 net profit to $5 billion year-on-year, outperforming other GCC markets. Camco Invest says Dubai listed banks, transport and telecom companies drove earnings growth, with 65% of Q2 profits. The top 5 performers were Emirates NBD with net profit of $1.63 billion, followed by DEWA with $530 million, Mashreq Bank with $520 million, Emaar Properties with $470 million, and Dubai Islamic Bank with $410 million. UBS Group reported an incredible $28.88 billion in Q2 net profit this morning. It's its first earnings result since it took over Credit Suisse, which saw over $10 billion in losses in Q2 amid its takeover. UBS says Credit Suisse will be fully integrated into its operations, as full integration is the best outcome for UBS, its stakeholders, and the Swiss economy. UBS expects to secure more than $10 billion in cost reductions by the end of 2026 from integrating Credit Suisse. China's factory activity contracted for a 5th straight month in August as pressure mounts on Beijing to offer more policy support to bolster its sluggish economy. The official manufacturing PMI came in at 49.7 in August, below the 50-point mark that separates expansion from contraction. Still, the reading was slightly higher than the July reading and also beat forecasts. The non-manufacturing PMI fell to 51 from 51.5 in July. Lukewarm demand for exports, a slump in the property market, and high rates of youth unemployment have raised concerns about the economic slowdown in China. China's Baidu rolled out its ChatGPT rival ErnieBot to the public today. It's a major leap for China's tech sector as it aims to cash in on the AI gold rush. The Chinese government introduced fresh regulations this month for AI developers, aiming to allow them to stay in the race with the likes of ChatGPT maker OpenAI and Microsoft, while tightly controlling information online. ErnieBot is the first domestic AI app to be fully available to the public in China. It's not available outside the country. In addition to ErnieBot, Baidu is set to launch a suite of new AI-native apps. And U.S. federal prosecutors are looking into Tesla performance claims after Reuters reported the EV maker exaggerated the potential driving distance of its vehicles. Reuters reported that Tesla cars often failed to achieve their advertised range estimates and projections reported by the car's own equipment. Reuters cited experts who tested the cars. Meanwhile, Tesla is also being investigated for allegedly using company funds to construct a secret glass home for Elon Musk in Texas. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.